So here's how you can cash out on Tapmob and transfer all the earnings that you made over on Tapmob to your bank account or your PayPal or whatever it is that you're transferring it to. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Tapmob account. Now, once you're inside of your Tapmob account, you want to go ahead and click on payments on the bottom. It's going to be closer to the right hand side. Now, as you can see in my payment center, all the times that I have cashed out, the number was over $100. So with Tapmob, you cannot cash out unless you have made $100. And then once that has been done, you can click on request payment. But simply right now, I'm only at $7, meaning that I need to make $92.57 more cents to cash out. Now, once you are at $100, then you're going to be able to cash out and then click on request payment. And once you have clicked on that, there's going to be an option that says request cash out or something like that. I really forgot what it exactly says. But then once that has been done, then all you have to do is wait up to 24 to 48 hours and then it'll be cashed out into whatever it is that you want to cash out to. However, you need to first set up where you want to cash out to, and if you haven't done that, you want to go ahead and click on the plus icon on the top right hand side. And now this is going to be leading into your payments info, so then you want to go ahead and click on the plus icon again. And then now, as you can see, you can choose where you want to deposit your money to. In this case, I use PayPal, but you can also use a direct deposit, otherwise known as ACH, or you can also wire it to your bank accounts. So you can choose which one you want to use and then just set it up. Once you have set that up, you want to go back and click on the back arrow and simply click on the request payment center over in your payments. And there you go. That is how you can cash out on Tapmob.